Hey there friends, today I'm checking out this Qnut e-bike. Let's just check out some of the features here. It has 26-inch tires, disc brakes on the front and back. It's got a locking battery that can be removed. Has a little battery indicator light on here. Also shows how much. Nice little kickstand here in the back. Let's move in for some closer view. So a kickstand's really cool right there. It's out of the way, so like with these bikes that you pedal backwards, if your kickstand's right here, the pedal can lock on that. So in the back, it's nice right here. We have these nice disc brakes on here. These are adjustable. Here's our motor right here in the back. And this is a 21 speed. Doesn't have Shimano derailleur, but this one seems, S-Shine seems to work pretty good. So we got 7 in the back, and in the front we have 3, so plenty of speeds. You can get cruising pretty good on this thing. We have an easy, quick release seat. Just pull this out and we can adjust it to whatever height we want. Up to there or down, and then lock it back in place. So a quick release is super handy. You want to make sure that those are nice and tight though. Okay, and on the front we actually have some shocks here, so this is pretty sweet. So actually offer some good, let's see if I can push down on that there. Some good shock absorption when you're going off of curbs or something like that. Also have the quick release here right in the front, very handy. And then we also have the disc brakes as well. So nice, good sized disc brakes, actually work really well. All in all, guys, pretty impressed with this little front reflector. And then we have our shifters right here. Might need a little bit of adjustment from the factory, so you can adjust this with the screws here on the top to make sure for every click that it goes, it clicks into the right place. And this can be slightly adjusted here as well. So to turn this on, we have a little power button right here on the side. Click that on, and then you press this button up here also. That turns on. It tells you how fast you're going, and then you can adjust the speeds 1 through 5 or 0 if you don't want any assistance with the bike. Then you can just turn it on. But as soon as you start pedaling, this thing basically will start helping you start riding. And then once you get up to a certain speed, I think it's like 5 miles an hour, you can use, I like the throttle here. This is the throttle, so if you want to use the just electric part and not pedal, you can just hit this and just ride with this, and it's adjustable how fast you want to go. So it goes about 20 miles an hour. Pretty impressed with it. It has a pretty good power. I think it's a 350 watt motor on here. And yeah, just a nice little cruising bike here, guys. I'll be showing you guys the ride and all that. But all in all, pretty impressive. Well, friends, the assembly process wasn't too horrible on this. It just took me a few minutes to basically just cut all the zip ties and everything that's holding this thing together. Tighten the handlebars on there, and the pedals, and the derailleur guard, and the reflectors on front and the back. So this thing cruises pretty good. With the assist, so like I said, you can adjust the assist from 1 to 5. You just start pedaling and it starts kicking off real good. On the 5, it accelerates pretty quick, so you gotta keep an eye on it. Also, once you start cruising, if you use the throttle, you just go, it cruises along actually really nice. I got it up to, I think, like 21, 22 miles an hour. With the pedaling, it is a 21 speed as well, so pedaling, you can kind of go pretty good if you want to. It's decent shocks on this too. Makes a nice, comfortable ride. The seat is comfortable as well. The disc brakes allow it to brake nicely. The large tires, 26-inch. And you can cruise over stuff off-road. Never really felt like it was gonna fall or anything like that. Battery seemed to have some good life on there. I charged up overnight, few hours, and then yeah, I was able to just cruise around on and off-road. The derailleur, the shifters, they have little notches on there, so it clicks once it goes into place. I had to adjust it a little bit, but once I did there, it shifts smoothly in between gears. The disc brakes are decent as well, provide excellent stopping ability. So everything about this bike seems like, yeah, just nice. Even the little bell works good. So I was pretty happy with it. Pretty impressed with the speed of this thing. Has decent power for sure. You can accelerate quickly, and just an all-around a nice, inexpensive mountain bike. Just the features too are really good. I like that it's a 21 speed, so you can just cruise around wherever you want, even if the battery's out. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day.